What's up? Welcome to my channel. If you have never been here, I'm your girl Jalisa Shaveh. This is my YouTube channel and you're also here to watch how to apply your shady lashes. First off, I just want to say thank you so much for supporting my brand and purchasing a pair of shady lashes. We're going to jump right into how to apply your lashes so that you can stop paying people to put them on for you. Alright, so first things first, decide which lashes you want to put on. I have a variety of 6 different styles. All of my styles are named after myself and my 5 sisters. I'm going to be wearing Style Jalisa today. After you've chosen your style, you then want to remove your lashes from the lash tray. After you've removed your lashes, you want to pick the lashes up with a pair of tweezers. You can also use your fingers, whatever you're most comfortable with. Before applying any glue or any adhesive to the lash, you want to place the lash on your eye and measure it first. If the eyelash is too long, you always want to trim from the outer corner of the eye. You never want to trim on the inner corner. Before you actually put the lashes on, you want to apply a thin coat of mascara to your natural lashes. You want to apply mascara so that your lashes can act as a plate and have a good foundation for your false lashes to sit on top of. Now your lashes are all ready to go and ready to put on. You want to choose your favorite adhesive or lash glue, any lash glue that you prefer, and then I'm going to apply a very generous layer of glue on the lash band. Letting the glue get sticky will help you control where the eyelash sits and where you want it to stay. Now you want to get a handheld mirror or any type of mirror that you can hold in your hand. I'm going to start off by holding the mirror right below the chin so that you can look right down into the mirror. You want to hold your eyelash in the middle with the tweezers. You don't want to hold it on the ends. You want to start off by holding in the middle because that's where we'll be sitting it first. So you look down in your mirror and sit the eyelash down in the middle. You want to get it as close to the lash band as possible. After you've placed the whole eyelash down, you want to go from the inner corner to the outer corner and make sure all the spaces of the lash band are stuck to your eyelid. After you've placed both of your lashes, you can go back in with your tweezers and squeeze your lashes with your natural lashes. This helps your lashes stay on much longer. And voila, there you have it. Your lashes are on, they're on perfect, they are there for the day. And if they are not on there perfect, it's okay, just keep practicing. The key is to make sure your glue is tacky so that you can have more control and also looking down in the mirror so that you can see your full lash line. As long as you do those key things, you will be able to apply your shady lashes with no problem. Thank you guys once again for purchasing shady lashes. I really do appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Thank you for believing in my brand, for believing in me, and buying your shady lashes. I really hope that you enjoy. Please don't forget to tag Shady Lashes on Instagram and Facebook as well. Hashtag Shady Lashes at Shady Lashes. Also, if you want to catch this look and how I created this look, there is a link in the description box that shows you a full tutorial on how to get this lime green look. Thank you guys.